In this video we will see some of the CAD drawing tools offered by Tcp PointCloud Editor, to model a building or construction. To model the floor plan, we make use of the point selection tool by elevation. We set the dimension of interest and the height of the band. By filtering the selected points, we obtain a set of points, which define the floor plan quite well. We will use these points as a reference to draw 3D polylines on them. We designate the corner points as vertices of the polyline. We use the Join tool to join polylines, and the Move Vertex tool to correct possible mistakes that have been made. Once we have drawn all the polylines that define the floor plan of the building, we observe that not all the vertices are at the same level. We select all the polylines just drawn, and using the Flatten tool, we assign the same height to all their vertices. We create another layer for the elements that are going to model the roof. We use the 3D face tool to draw each inclined plane. We can use the Move Vertex tool to better adjust the position of the vertices of each 3D face drawn.